Welcome back to Aromatic Realistic TV. And when I say realistic, it simply means, I bring awareness of things as they are. And as I continue to grow my platform, if my videos, are, my contents are inspiring, are uplifting, or it make an impact on you in any way, shape, or form, I'm just asking you to just follow me, hit that subscribe button and like and share, because we don't want to keep the information to ourselves. We want to spread it across this platform, this family platform, where we bring, truth to life, and bring people up to speed, by, open up their awareness of things as they are. Anyway, this morning, I want to look into, different culture. And we who migrate to the United States, and at times it's work, home, work, home, work, home, bar, club. But that is only gonna take place for a certain period of time. You're not gonna do that all your life. So it's just one routine: work, home, supermarket, post office, and even the street that you live on, the community that you live in, you don't even know the people. Your neighbor is living over there for the past 5 years and you have never speak with your neighbor. You have never changed hi, hello, good morning, how are you? You never see that person. See, they come out to pull in their garbage pan, to cut their lawn, their headphone in, zoops, backs it. Coming out in the morning, garage door up. Coming home back in the evening, garage. So it's a different culture from your culture in the Caribbean, and when you think about opportunity, it is here, in the US. And if you're willing to work hard and smart, you can make it. You don't need to do nothing illegal to make it here in the US. You have potential and you're willing to work hard and smart. And when I say that, I mean that you work, but you don't just put your money in one place. Clothes, shoes, cars, parties, ladies. So I say you work hard and smart. Knowing that our culture from the Caribbean, it's totally different. Where it's like everybody in your community, you being acknowledged by, because they know you by your name. So therefore, when somebody, approach you, they would say, good morning, Mrs. Simmet. Good morning, Mr. John. That acknowledgement, so you know that you feel a part of that community. Your neighbor over there should have some akis, breadfruit. You don't even have to ask. They pick breadfruit, pick hockey. Your own is coming over in a little basin. You may be having mangoes, lemon, the same thing. You pay it forward. So it's a different culture switch. And most of the time when we migrate with that one thing in our intention: to go away, work hard, work smart, and to make that transition back home. Why? Those things that I just tell you about. Get up in the morning, you can go by the beach. You see your fish vendor passing, you can get your fish right there if you don't want to go to the beach. You always can go in the backyard, stick some peppers, some corn, some tomatoes. Always have something to do in the backyard. Meet up with friends, families. Because you're a part of that community. It's like everybody in that community knows you. And whenever they're calling you, they call you by your name. So they acknowledge that you are there. Not like I'm passing you as close as this, and not even a hi, hello, or good morning. Not that you are looking for it, but come on, man. We are human beings. We live in the same apartment, your door facing mine, and we have never said hi, hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to each other. So a lot of time we are out here, and when we talk about the things that is going on in our country, it's not that we are bashing a certain individual. It's just that we are at a place and we are hurting. And people will not know if you are not in that situation. You will not know if you don't have that experience. People out here are hurting because people out here come, they work hard, they work smart, they save, and they're ready to make the transition, to go and meet up back with their communities, to interact with people again, to have that, face-to-face dialogue like human beings. We are not aliens. We just pass each other like, I don't even see that person. You want to have this conversation with your neighbor. Stand up, reason at the fence side. Did you hear what take place last night? So and so and so and so and so. No, I did not. Oh my God, for real? Those are the things that people miss. Walk, go pick 2 lemon or lime, squeeze in a glass of water. Natural. Organic. You understand? So when we out here and we talk, we're not coming out, we not come at no special person, We just a talk because deep within, we are at a place where we are hurting, knowing that we did all that we could do. We do the right thing. And now it's time for us, some of us, to go, who reach that age and want to. And they can't. Knowing the system here, work, home, work, home, work, home, work, home. Not much. Not much. But not until you get the experience of being out here, see what it's like, gather that experience for yourself, then you will come to that understanding And know when we talk because we are patriot of our country and we love our country. And from the day we leave our country, we have this in the back of our mind that we will be returning, for all these different, reasons. So if you are not in this situation, you won't understand. But as I said, we are not blaming anyone. We are not blaming Dick, Tom, or Harry. We are just saying, just get certain things under control, like the crime and violence. Because you have millions of us out here who reach that age and want to go back. They just want to live a little normal life before their life here on planet Earth expired. That's all they're asking for, That's all they're asking for. And sometimes the people who are bashing, whenever, people like me who have my platform, who come and voice my opinion, of, things that it's not right, you know what I mean? People say, but not until you find yourself in that situation. You would never understand, where we are coming from and what we are talking about. So what I mean? Stay tuned, man, to Aromatic Realistic TV. And as I said, if you find, my content, enlightening, inspiring, touch you in any way, shape, or form, just remember, man, subscribe, touch up the like button, and share it. Because guess what? We are not keeping the information for ourselves. We want everybody out there in this community to be a part of it. Leave a comment and let me know what you think. Okay? Yeah. What them say? One head, two head better than one, don't? Which is right. I'm out, man. Stay tuned, because you don't know. We bring awareness of things as they are. Much love. Peace. I'm out.